Vedant, M187 is only 1500 now.
Wow. What's up, guys? We are
Thompson
playing
is a-
Arena Free Fire.
Thompson became
As the game got updated, we are gonna play it. Check out what are the new things.
And you know what? M187 is. Hello. Hello.
M828. I'm just trying to taste. Not taste. There's SKS also now. Why? And the worst one is.
Vedant,
Ah,
now M187 is waste. They decreased its range and damage very
I'll
badly.
never buy
Ah,
it.
yeah.
I'll never buy it.
M187 range and cost also decreased. But
Yeah.
it's better. Like it is not that bad also. It is useful only.
Sai Madhav,
Yeah,
how to
some
do
useful,
GT
not very
guy?
useful.
Ulfra?
All the enemies are in my range. But
All
I did
the
not buy
enemies are in
G18.
front of my face.
I'm going into them.
Sai Madhav, would you please move? Oh, I'm being shot.
They are shooting you. They did not even see me.
Good fist punch. I was about to knock this guy. Guy here.
I need medkits very badly.
He is using a G18. I died.
Coming to you, I'm coming to you, Adrit. Don't worry, you won't die. I mean, you died. Guy in front of me, Sai Madhav.
Yeah.
Come on, Vedant. One shot.
One guy shooting in front of me, other guy behind me. US, please revive me, yes. I'm trying to get into cover.
You won't reach there. US, come, shoot. Yeah.
Can someone
Yes,
revive
you
me?
survived.
Thanks, you're a really good person.
I should have bought some good character, then I should have gone. I went with Michael who takes only 20 damage. You know, Hayato improved like hell. Hayato became Pope.
Border Desert Eagle. I want to save my money for the new gun.
That is 2200 only. That is almost good only. And you know that gun is so tall. It comes till your legs.
Even AWM is same.
No, AWM comes to the knees. This is very tall. It can pierce to anything.
Which is another
No,
disadvantage.
only through glue walls, not everything.
We can break glue walls with a single shot now.
No, we can't break it, but the bullets can go through it. It can penetrate through it.
Lovely.
Found them. Going from the back.
Now I trip.
I'll go from the front.
Is there a stock level, USP level here? I'm tripping a lot. I don't know where they are. And stop lagging and tripping.
Come on, man, help me.
Why do they always escape?
I'm literally struggling right now to get up.
There are 4 people. And everybody know my place.
Why won't they?
I have to get into cover.
They are running from cover to cover. They're not even giving us place to shoot.
It's okay. I can see one guy here, but the glue wall is protecting him.
No, there are 3 people. Or he killed me. Once I woke up, he killed me.
Guy here, guy in front of me. Sai Madhav, you said M187 became worst. Will you revive me? Try.
Revive me.
No, run.
Yes.
Sai Madhav.
I'm not dying. Please revive.
Yeah, revive.
One second. Yeah.
I'm going to rush up from here. Come here and revive me. Yeah.
I'm hiding behind Sai Madhav. Guy here. Take cover and heal. Adrit here, that's a. Ow! No, Sai Madhav, don't revive me. I'm almost gonna die in the zone. Told you, don't revive me.
I died in the zone.
Same.
Oh, everyone died in the zone. This is horrible.
I have 20 HP.
Same here.
Yeah.
The new gun.
M500. Going straight with it.
The new gun is so long. This is like a heavy sniper in this gun in Fortnite.
Yeah. Something like.
Like extremely long. Wonder what's its damage. Guys are climbing the mammoth. I mean the dead remains of the poor thing
I'm
that died.
not climbing it.
I could see I can see all of them. I can see all of them. They're on the opposite side. I
Had on the map.
almost killed a guy, but I shot too early.
Oh no,
One
they
guy
are on
knows
the
my
map.
location.
I knocked
He
one
killed
guy.
me with the desert eagle.
Adrit, fall down. Fall down. I'll revive
Yeah,
you.
yeah, I fell down.
1 second.
We then come into this tent behind the table.
Coming. You know,
Yeah, you bend over there and revive from there. Bend.
it's okay.
Where are the enemies?
And one guy is on the top of the tower.
I know where he is. He shot me, Srai Madhav. Can you please revive me?
First where is he?
No.
He might even kill me.
He's on the top of Mammoth.
Yeah, I almost killed him. Like because of
He's
Adrit.
still there only.
I was reviving
One
Adrit.
guy
That's
is
why I
on
died.
top of the box.
I killed one guy actually. I knocked him.
Okay, it's 1v1 now.
Yeah.
I'll manage it.
Make sure your gun is loaded.
Yeah. I'll go inside this one.
If the zone blocks the entrance, you're blocked in there forever. You know, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, if zone blocks it, that will be the middle point.
You can win this.
Yeah, of course.
He's pakka healing up. He's above the bones. Like you can easily take him out from here.
Yeah. And if he doesn't come down, Simon also has to kill. No problem.
Why are you wasting? If he comes down when you are like reloading, yeah, like that.
He's
In
down.
front of you.
Look down.
No. I told you in front of you, but it's okay.
Me.
I told in front of you. Bought a sniper. I'm a sniper. We both are snipers.
There's an SKS over here.
Give
Where
me.
Not over here. In my thing.
This gun is
In my
actually
combat
dope.
operation.
I like this gun.
I should bought an MP4V.
I started liking this gun already because of
Yeah,
its looks.
here.
Its damage is a little less compared to AWM.
It takes 123. But it reloads very fast. It can be even used as a mid-range gun. Without scope.
Who is
No
even
scope
shooting?
kill. This gun is better
Oh
than
my gosh, I got
better
knocked.
than AWM.
Adrit, can you, Saimado, can you please revive me?
I'm knocked.
Okay.
That's
US,
what happens.
Amma,
The enemies.
Adrit, you're right above me. Can you please come down?
No, I mean,
I'll try to come
I'm stuck in a zone. The stairs are blocked.
No, there is the stairs here, Adrit. I'm coming up. Adrit, I'm coming down.
They started shooting.
You
Good
can
job.
win this. You can win this.
Run as fast as possible to inside that door.
Grenade.
Oh, no.
Front
no.
of you.
Shoot him.
No!
You did not
These guys are good. Like, they are really good. This time I'm not gonna be helpless. Where is
I'm the
my
sniper.
gun?
And also shotgun for extra protection.
Same. Short range plus long range. Like, very long range and very short range.
What?
M1014 and this gun. What's the other gun? I forgot the name. M828
I bought
something.
an M500.
Adrit, stick with me. We both will stick with each other. Stick to each other. I don't need to say the same. Parkour time. Adrit, move. This is my sniping. Ow!
And I almost went to the top.
Ow, I
Just move.
stripped because of you. Move.
Let's help
Ow!
our
I'm
teammates.
falling a lot.
Very good damage.
I knocked one. Arey, this thing M24 will take headshot also only 123.
It's 808. Ah, someone started shooting me. I wanna be down. I wanna stay down.
I'm probe. I probe, then I'm off his range. He doesn't have range now. I mean, he can't see me.
Saimata, there's a guy inside.
I knocked him. Don't worry.
Oh, there is another guy. I
Oh,
saw
he's
another
still
guy.
alive.
I'm trying. Should I try to revive our teammate?
No, he's right here.
I
No,
was about
there
to
is
knock him,
someone
Saimata. Our teammate died. Unfortunate. Saimata, do you know where's the last person?
He's right here. Near the zone. He's gonna die. He's going into the house. He's reloading his MP5. Come to my location. You'll
Arey,
find
I
him. He's
almost
coming.
killed him. Saimata, we can kill him.
He put a glue wall. Come on, come on. He'll die in the zone. Don't let him come out. Oh, okay. Come on, Simon. He's dying in the zone. Shoot.
No!
It's not how I understand he was at 23.
This legend Sham guy is on the.
It's okay. But that new gun is really good.
Guys, this is my last game.
Which is
So
training.
start it as fast as possible, no? No training.
I want to check it out.
Okay.
Adril, get ready.
Start it.
If Adril gets ready, then only. The training is like the updated training a lot. I want to check out what's new.
I did not train.
This training is awesome. I
Now,
played it.
I
You
hope
can
the
even
new gun
use
is there.
vehicles.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm first dibs. I'm gonna take the vehicle first, please.
No, there are many vehicles.
Okay. Okay, why did you start
Oh
here?
my goodness. Oh, for every
Adrit, follow me once. Two of you follow me. Let's go to the vehicles. I'm going to the vehicles.
You should not go there. You should go in this green one.
So how am I supposed to come out of here now?
Click on that door button. That's it.
Yeah, I exited.
Okay. Let me just check what are the new guns in here. No, this is not the
There's even a monster truck.
M187, M24B, M14 SKS, Dragunov.
just getting the new gun. Where is M187? No M187.
There is the M187 in second row first.
Yeah. And then let me get a
I'm
shot
stunt master.
Arey, what happened to crossbow? Crossbow.
I'm on the racetrack. I'm driving.
I'm also coming. Saimata, where are the vehicles?
Right over there.
This guy took an auto, which I was about to take. Okay, now where
I'm
are
a
the
stunt
vehicles?
master.
Saimata, where are the vehicles?
Boom! I am a stunt master.
You are actually trembling right now. Can you give me the monster truck?
It's not mine.
Where are the vehicles?
Where are the vehicles?
Find them. I'm driving one.
Is this where?
Oh, there is a zip line.
I'm using these ramps.
You're
I'm a
lucky
stunt
to
master,
drive your car.
guys.
But how? Where are the vehicles?
Everyone took them.
Simon,
There is a jeep and auto. There's a jeep and auto
Where?
behind me.
I'm running as fast as I can.
How did you even go that side?
Why is this vehicle like alarmed? Why is this like vehicle? Arey? Who is driving this vehicle first of all? Invisible ghost.
Where are the things? Arey, who is driving the bike? Nobody is there only.
That's what. All the vehicles are. Where are all the vehicles?
Mother, where are they?
Oh, everyone is using vehicles.
Can I blow up one?
No, you can't.
I can see a monster truck. Ow, this guy, you savage
what is this?
human.
Everybody is they're just driving on their own. I can't see anybody.
Saibadha, please. Sharing is
There's only
caring.
an option to enter. There's an option only to enter, but how? Why?
No.
It is telling me to enter. Yeah, I'm driving.
No. Who took this vehicle? Give me a
The
vehicle.
driving controls are too much. The driving controls are too cheap.
Let's go into the target zone and fight.
I took a bike. Yay. I'm going for racing. Anyone wants to follow me? A guy is sitting behind me apparently. You
I'm going for the
idiot!
right.
Learn how to drive. Who gave you a driving license? Even I don't have it actually.
Get out, Rick. Get out. Oh, Jeep, get out. Hey, who is this guy?
He's a
Why am I stuck
human.
here?
He's a
I'm
human.
going to target range. Bye.
Okay, me too.
Vedant, just wait there. I'm coming.
I exited to the target range. And why do I have a AR-94 with me?
Then after that, if you go and play the training,
Let me get I'll grab this. What are the attachments? I need a muscle level 3.
let's go to the target range.
Wow.
No.
I'm going to get blue walls.
I'm going to sit.
I know
right
how
now.
to get blue walls.
I'm just chilling right here.
Then
You
I
wanna
don't-
join me? Anyone wanna join me? I'm chilling. Actually, this gun does better damage than XM8 than AWM 165.
No, it only does it rarely. And in this, we can even get blue walls.
Adrit, I'm just chilling. You wanna sit with me? Adrit,
Where?
sit with me. I'm just chilling right here.
Can you even sit?
Sit beside me. Adrit, I'm lonely. Will you sit with me?
Yeah, wait.
Come on.
1 minute. Let me collect the things I want.
You'll die. You'll face my wrath. You'll face the wrath of Rishal Ghul. Who's Rishal Ghul? I have no idea. Oh, decoy grenades.
Hello, coming to the target range. I mean, combat zone.
From a long time over there only.
How to steer? Oh, you can sit. Crazy.
This is my seat. You can sit right beside me. Just chill out there. Adrit, will you sit?
It's cool. Okay, how to go to the main area?
Saimada, how to go to the main area?
You should stand in that orange one.
Bye, Vedant.
Saimada, are you coming?
I'm already in there.
Oh,
Oh, even I know how to go to the grenades. It is the same map. Just the buildings and all are changed.
yeah.
Yeah, and even we can even get blue walls.
I know where to get blue walls also.
I killed Saimada
Same.
right now, and someone
You
killed
even
him.
have them.
But I still don't know how to use the zipline.
Don't kill me, don't kill me, nobody kill me, nobody kill me. I'm trying to get the grenades.
Oh, glue walls are not there here.
Where are you even searching?
At the places where in the first thing there used to be glue walls.
There are glue walls here. I have glue walls right now.
Blue walls are there in a different place.
Where?
Back.
We don't tell now.
I have the glue walls.
But where did
They're
you
in
get?
In the
main
house, in the
building.
house. Wow! Saimadhab!
Okay, I know where they are. Okay, in the main building there'll be one box in that only, no?
Yeah, in there. Zip line, I'm using the zip line. Ah, don't kill me, nobody kill me, please. Spare my life, I'm an innocent person. Huh? Use. Atrit, I'm on the zip line. A person killed me on the zip line. There is a bad human, inhuman human. I almost some devil Tiwari killed me 2 times.
He blocked the entrance of the house with a glue wall.
I'll tell you who
Not
it
with
is.
a glue wall, with many glue walls.
I'll tell you who it is. It is me actually. How did I miss that shot? You know, my shot was supposed to kill Sai Madhav right now. But
I
instead,
just went there and he killed me.
Sai Madhav, I'm on the zip line. Yay! Ow, who shot me? I almost died staying on the zip line.
Of course, I will.
How did you get to the line? How did you even jump to the zip line?
Ow! I was like very low. I was at 2 or 20 health. I'm gonna use
But how
the
did
zip
you
line
get to the zip line?
by jumping.
How? From where to jump?
From somewhere.
Tell na.
Come to me first.
Where? From where?
Come to me.
Where are you?
Beside 2 soldiers. Come near the flashbangs.
Okay, got it. I saw. I gave one way for the first time on AWM hedge.
Who killed me? One second, I'm going to the target range. I'm getting some decoy grenades.
You lose all your glue walls and grenades.
No, I lost all of them.
I clicked on that use button, but still I did not get the grenades.
Because your backpack is full of medkits or something else.
Okay.
Ah,
I'll remove these things. Inhaler, decoy grenade, die. Now I'll go.
I have 36 inhalers. Oh, I forgot to get any guns.
I got grenade. This guy is almost killing me with A94.
I am picking up in the target range because I didn't get any guns only.
There's one trick called drag headshot. It is very easy to use in training.
I'm expert in drag headshot, guys.
What?
And you know the best one to use drag headshot on?
Yeah.
Can I know what's a drag headshot?
Ruby, you just escaped from my hands.
You know, you just start fighting like that, I will return. Coming. You guys will know.
Head.
I threw a grenade near you, be careful. Array did not come to me.
Where are you?
I got a head
people?
on you.
Ow! This guy is killing me.
Okay, I got to know how
I
to
got
use a
glue
zipline.
walls. I'm getting flashbangs.
Oh, thank you for telling me your location.
I got them.
I know, he'll be near grenades.
Ah,
Something like
Simon
that.
is right here.
No, he was really near the flash.
He killed me, some other guy. Or even I would go.
I forgot by mistake. I don't have glue walls. I'm going to get glue walls.
You know, people are not even shooting me from like a statue. They think that I'm a decoy grenade.
Huh? Such a dumb decoy grenade. Simon, I was going to shoot you, but you shot me first.
Yeah.
I will avenge my death.
Let me go now.
These many
You were
people
able
spawned
to-
at the same time.
But Bobby was about to.
These many people spawned. I am doomed. You kill me every time. I hate you.
I'm not even able to walk in the zipline. I'm coming there killing. I'm coming there killing. When I had a car, I will show them.
I got glue.
Oh, actually, I was also coming there, but I didn't come.
Can you shoot on the zipline? Can you shoot while using the zipline?
Yeah.
No.
Are you in there?
No, Sai Madhav, how dare you? I almost shot you while you were on the zip line. Ah, use your flashbangs. Stop trying to kill me! Devil Tiwari, you dumbo.
Please do not.
This Devil
For
Tiwari
finding-
killed me for that fifth time at the same, you know. Otherwise, you just died in front of me. This guy bent and like stood and I shot him in the face.
I still did not get to the blue walls. I'm angry.
Yeah, where did this lady go? I was trying to avenge my death.
Okay,
She's here.
last chance for the blue walls. What is this? His problem is always killing me with the same AN9.
Ah, this Devil Tiwari, you dumbball, stop trying to kill me. DJ Alok.
Please, why were you shooting me? I was saying something.
Even I was destroying the decoy grenade.
Enjoy.
Sai Madhav, how are you not dead? Kill ya. Some guy is trying to kill me with the AR-94. No, Adrit. Groza, idiot.
AN9 for all the time. This regalio guy.
Killed him.
Again, he only killed me.
This Devil Tiwari is killing me. He's irritating me. He's like a DJ Alok.
Block this whole place. If I put one grenade, whole thing is destroyed.
Who put a glue wall near the this grenade zone? Which idiot put a glue wall?
God. Even I saw. Where this AN9 for you're in my hands. Re. Oh, that is Vedanta. I don't. These people are using glue walls near the glue wall zone. They're not letting anybody enter. Maybe they'll remove these glue walls.
I got grenades! Yay!
I'm almost gonna get to the glue walls, but this guy killed me. People are always camping near the walls. I jumped in the midair, I got shot.
Arey, I almost got glue wall at like 0.1 second close. Arey, this guy is teaming up, cheater. Arey, Devil Tiwari, let me get something. Ah! This AN94 guy just now killed Sai Madhav. Ow, stop shooting me. I'm stuck. Was. Arey, this guy created a hell house of
Now
grenades.
everyone will be shocked to know that my decoy grenade is not me.
A guy was behind me and killed me with a car 98. Hey, there are two sides. I forgot this house had two sides. I'm an idiot.
Where are you people? Nobody comes here only.
I'm trying to get
When I wanted the
grenades.
flashbang, when I wanted grenades and flashbangs, everybody was there. Now when I want grenades, nobody is there near the grenades.
Lady, please spare me.
I have a scope near the grenades. If anybody comes, then they'll pakka get car 98 hit.
Ah, I'm dying.
Oh, I know that Sai Madhav
I
is there.
finally got glue walls. I got glue walls. Yay, and I died. Adit,
And
thanks for
Vedant,
being...
you're dead now.
No, I'm not dead.
Adrit, you're dead now.
I know.
Sai Madhav, you are dead now.
But how can you please tell me?
Didn't realize this now. And now you'll get only 3 flashbangs, not 5.
Because the increased grenades count.
How many? 4. I didn't even see. Sai Madhav, you are dead. Hi. No. How did you get away? Oh, you tricked me, you trickster. You are dead, Adrit.
Let me go to my favorite place, please. Stop killing me.
I was about to get my revenge on this devil guy, but he unfortunately killed me only. Ah, stop trying to kill me with your stupid AN94. Bap. No, Devil Tiwari. Sai Madhav, I killed the guy who killed you, don't worry.
Okay, thank you. And now please don't come here.
Hi, Adrit. Adrit, how are you getting away? Stop it. Killed you.
I was left in 1 HP and I was roaming all around. It gave you almost 200 damage.
I was at 52 health. Don't try to get flashbangs, you naughty boys. A guy just jumped and shot me in the face.
I'm at my favorite place of the training ground.
Oh, guy survived. He was at 35 health and he survived. Do you mean you're at there? Where are you? Are you trying to get green flashbangs? Stop trying to shoot me. 2 people, one guy in front, one guy behind. Killed this AN94 guy finally in his face. Oh. Adrit, stop trying to kill me with your stupid Groza. Sai Madhav, did you die? I can't see a single person. Okay. He just said and a guy killed me. This guy's trying to fist me. He doesn't know that I'm Cla.
He's not allowing anyone to hit them.
How did this guy? A guy, I don't know, he was at 47 health.
Thank you, my boy, Regilio, for killing CH. Abba, ladder na play.
I'm missing every shot.
Favorite place.
Where are you
Why did
people?
he block it? He's having infinite glue wall supply.
Who?
And he's not allowing anyone to get it. Vedant, how many kills are you having?
I don't know. Where to check?
On the top, normal place.
11 kills I have.
Only two.
I have 34.
Where? I don't know. There are only spectators in that Wi-Fi connection place. Sai
No,
Madhav,
to the
I
right
broke
side,
the
already.
glue walls for you.
On the right side, there'll be
23.
stick.
I had 23.
Arre, who's this guy, Re? He made his own house with a glue walls over here.
I broke those glue
That's
walls
what.
actually.
Let's team up and go there. Let's team up,
Yeah.
team up.
1 minute, I'm coming.
I'm breaking those glue walls. One more shot. Broke the glue walls.
I'm Madhav. Vedant, team
Yeah.
up.
One second, I died. I broke that glue wall, but don't worry.
Let's 3 of us team up and go to the place.
I'm in that place, entering through another door. Others come. Don't worry, there's nobody in here. Ah, sorry.
Team up.
Sorry. Guy in here, intruder. Dead. And I died.
I'm there here. Hey. Yeah, we'll make our house now. We'll
Yeah.
make our house.
Let me also come by, guys. Yeah, I hope I respawn there. Guys, let me come, please. I'm a good person.
Oh, they're breaking it with tears.
Are you guys forgetting there are two sides?
I have unlimited glue also.
Let me come in.
Okay, come in through this. Arre, they're breaking these glue walls.
Okay, I'll manage those.
I blocked this road. Arey, let me come.
They're breaking the glue walls.
Who
Throwing
threw
grenades.
grenade in this?
Ha! The grenade did not damage me at all. I was blinded. Vedant, team up.
Yeah, I know. I'm dying, guy over here. No one will report us, na? Sorry, by mistake. Adrit is blocked. Guy over here, Sai Madhav, guy over here. Make sure he never escapes. Oh my gosh, we are dead.
It's okay, you guys stay there. I'll help you people from down. I'll give you technical support.
Arey, why did you block me out?
Sorry.
I died.
Oh, I landed in this wood. There's an enemy who's shooting your glue walls.
I'm stopping
Just break the
invaders.
glue walls.
Let me come inside. Adrit, stop shooting me. I am
It's
stuck
me.
over here. Move. There are two people over there. I didn't kill you. This guy killed me. I was shooting the glue wall by mistake. Guys, we are forgetting that there are two entrances. Do you guys forget that there are two entrances? Sai Madhav, stop it. Let me come.
I'm into the house. With unlimited glue wall supply.
Sai
sorry,
Madhav.
Vedant, I'm not shooting.
Sai Madhav,
stopped.
me. It's me. It's your best friend.
Okay, team.
Breaking glue walls.
A human. Oh, decoy. Ow, I'm stuck over here. Let me reload. Who killed me? How did I even die?
Vedant. How did you die?
I don't know. I'll take care of the guy in the house for you. Arey, I was about to kill that guy who was torturing, he like troubling you in that house. Don't worry, Saima. There are two people there. I'll take care of him with my M187.
Yeah, Vedant.
Two are
Yes,
here.
I'm on the. Yeah.
Now
I know
one.
their location.
Kill
Let's
them.
go.
Kill them. Kill them.
Flashbang.
Kill them.
Yeah.
They're dead. They're dead. Now it's me. Ow!
Shit.
Stop throwing. I'm here. It's me. It's me. Let me in. Let me in. Arey, you're making it more hard for me to get in. I'll die.
Just break one glue wall and come. Which side are you? You tell me which side are you. I'll break that glue
Yeah,
wall.
I came in. I came in. I'm in the front. I can literally see you, Sai Madhav.
How?
One second, let me break this glue wall which I'm trying to punch.
Hey, even if we jump, I'm not able to come.
Yes, I'm here.
Shit, I can't use the glue wall. Just break this thing.
Sorry, I shot you.
Vedant, why did you shoot me?
I didn't shoot you.
Break one glue wall from here. You have to take the glue walls.
Unlimited glue walls.
Unlimited glue walls.
This is our den.
This is the best part. Vedant, just stay there. I'll go on to the top and I'll try to shoot them from there. Hey,
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. I repeat.
hold down.
There's a guy trying to break in.
Keep over here trying to kill everybody. I'll help you. I can catch support.
Arey, we are stuck in here. What are we supposed to do?
Grenade.
I'm not
And
throwing
stop
grenades. I'm
holding
putting
it.
glue walls everywhere.
Oh, our wall is broken.
I know. I'm trying to fix it. Stop trying to break our wall. They're
Where
only.
are you?
Where is
Adrit, are you
Adrit?
on the top?
Oh,
Oh no, it's open. It's open. It's open. It's open.
Ow.
Shit, no.
No, I'm
You
blocking
have
it.
to defend.
I am
Thank you.
Saima, put the glue wall at the last piece. Yeah, move. I need to get glue walls. We are going savage right now. What are you doing?
good job. I'm not coming up. Only there is like there are like thousands people outside the blue wall
Huh?
waiting.
But we won't let it happen.
Because someone
I'm
gave us an
helping.
idea.
Well,
Inspiration.
wow. Be
Ow!
careful, your blue wall will start.
Adrit, where are you? Saima, once move.
I'm down. Trying to do friendship with others. To
You're
not
a-
let us, to not
Sorry.
Friendly.
I forgot that there is a friendly attack. I'll defend this place for you. There is a guy right beside me.
Wow, this place is fully full.
Come fast, I'm alone.
I'm coming. Wait.
A guy is trying to break
You're the one
in.
who killed me.
It
I'm
was-
trying
it
to
wasn't my
come.
fault. I was trying to, like,
Oh, there's one right beside you, behind you, whatever.
He came in, but I had a glue wall in my hand.
Is
Killed
our
him,
location
killed him,
safe?
killed him. I blocked the
Good
road.
job. Keep our location safe. Keep it
I'm
locked
coming.
for me.
I'm coming.
More people are coming,
I'll
more
give you
people. It's going on.
Look at these people are like this.
Arey, they'll ban your account. They're not good people. This is the only glue wall that has been there with us. Ow, Sai Madhav, you blocked me out. There's a guy behind me.
Hey, you're shooting me.
I know he killed
Don't
me
use
because
your
you blocked me
Don't
out.
use that
He
piercer.
killed me because you blocked me out.
What is a pure soul?
GB28 sniper.
Sai Madhav, thanks for saving my life. I mean, Adrit, thanks for saving my life.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead right here.
How did I kill you? How did I kill you? Adrit, it's me. Sai Madhav, how did I kill you also? I also had no idea how did I kill you.
We have to retake our location.
Once again, drop a grenade in there. My grenade killed no one. Sai Madhav, follow me. There is, the other road, na? Arey, we can kill them, na? We have armor piercers.
I teamed up with someone and protecting place.
Arey, I'm trying to kill one guy. Arey, one guy was sleeping in front of me.
There's one guy who teamed up with me.
I'm not trying to team up.
Should I give him headshot?
I
Why the
killed
other
one
guy
guy,
killed me?
99 damage. No. No, I'm not letting anyone get the property. No, someone got inside. Kill him, I'm coming. I'm trying to reunite.
Adrit, it's me. Why did you kill me? Are you mad or what?
Someone trying to break in. I killed him. Someone,
Someone
another
trying-
guy. There are many people trying to break in. I'm in.
The other
We three have to go in.
I
But you?
am in. Adrit,
We
come.
three have to be together
It's
to
me. It's me.
remake our protection.
You killed
Why
me.
did you shoot?
You were about to kill me.
I was just asking you, is it you? After shooting him,
I was killing that guy. I killed you. I was killing that guy, but he like
Vedant, please stop killing
no.
me.
I meant to kill that guy.
I'm gonna do friendship with somebody.
Someone trying to retake the property. You killed him.
Yeah, I killed him.
I'm coming. Sorry, I killed you. Adrit, what are you
doing
doing?
friendship.
You'll get yourself killed.
I'm doing friendship, nobody's
Ah,
killing
Sai
me.
Madhav, Adrit, I'm dying.
I'll also act like I'm a friend and I'll give them headshots.
Why are these guys killing me every time? I'm not able to get a proper way inside. Sai Madhav, you're inside now.
I'm protecting it.
I saw an enemy. Enemy outside. He killed me. I hope I respawn inside.
Guys,
Sai
you
Madhav,
must
I'm
be
coming in.
here
I'm coming in.
for good protection. Okay, guys, bye. I have to go.
Okay, bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel.